making a video with no lighting. Hi.
Okay.
This is me with no lighting.
Your hair. You have like a blob right here.
Okay, I'll just move it to the other side then. There we go. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, right. So this is with a little bit of lighting. It is, I think, a lot better, even with a little bit of lighting. Now we're going to adjust. So this is with no lighting. Oh, more lighting. Sarah, look, look, get in the video, get in the video, get in the video. Okay, right? So this is no lighting. Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
We're so excited for today's video. It's going to be so much fun. We're going to be doing some construction. We're going to be making some food.
Yes.
We're going to be just, you know, going about our day and taking you along.
Exactly.
And then you plop on the bed. I'm exhausted.
Looks like we only had time for... we only had time for half
Guys,
the activity.
we're out of time today. Thank you so much for watching.
Turns out I was just on my phone too long and wasted a bunch of time.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll see you.
Now the day's over.
Yeah. See you at the next video.
Don't forget to like,
subscribe,
thumbs up. It really helps out my channel.
turn your notification bells on so you get the latest on what's going on.
It's super annoying, but just do it.
Doing nothing video. Win surprise.
Okay, so now we're gonna put a
And
little.
as always, choose kindness.
Oh, there. That's funny.
Somebody laughed so hard. Can we do that?
We just did.
No. Oh my God. Erase that. If you pulse that,
Oh.
you call this doing nothing?
Oh,
This
funny.
is not doing nothing, okay?
Exactly.
I'm
Okay.
just gonna watch my mom empty the dishwasher.
Okay.
This is the most productive thing that's happening around me.
So this is more lighting, and more lighting. Just testing out more lighting.
Let us know if you're blind yet.
Okay. Ooh, dude, this light makes you look so good.
Oh, I'm all for that.
Dang. Look how. Whoa. Look at that.
Oh, I'm almost blind.
Mom, come here.
Oh, watch out for Damon.
Look, it's daytime in here.
I'm
Mom,
almost
look.
blind.
Okay, look closer. Look closer. Look. So look. Watch.
Dang,
You look good,
I
Mama.
can win the Miss Universe contest.
Wait, no, look closer. I know it's bright, but like, take off your glasses. There's no glare. Look how. Doesn't it make you look good?
I look like 20 years younger.
So this is us testing the. It's called the NEEWER lighting system, or not system, but NEEWER light.
Are you posting this?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my first start to having a YouTube studio, and I'm super stoked.
Damon's throwing up.
Oh, Damon's throwing up.
Ow! And then get him out. Good. Never mind. Go.
Oh, shit.
Stop.
It's locked.
Mom. Oh.
Go. Don't let him eat it. Don't let your dogs eat it.
This is a typical day in the Maroon household.
You want to hose it?
All right, guys. Thank you so much. I don't really know what this video was. It was a little bit crazy. It was just me testing out my light system. I'm probably not going to post this, but I might. So, all right. Thank you so much.